Sajjan Shetty, and I've completed my law in the year of 2000. And thereafter, I practiced for few years in Bombay in the area of labor laws. And thereafter, I moved to Bangalore and I worked with Lawyers Collective, HIV/AIDS unit. There, I used to get involved in filing of PILs, writ petitions, and we were also involved in the drafting and research of Anti-Discrimination uh, Act 2017, which got passed in 2017. We were in the process of drafting, and a complete research was done by our office at that time, and I was very proud and happy to be part of that process. And during that time, even I was involved in advocacy and training on legal issues for doctors, uh, police, and other stakeholders on HIV/AIDS. Uh, After I completed my stint in with Lawyers Collective, I moved on to Center for Child and the Law, National Law School, Bangalore. And there I was involved with the POXO Act, and we came out with the frequently asked questions when the POXO Act was enacted. And this publication is published by the National Law School, and I'm one of the co-authors of that FAQs. I was also involved in a training of members of the Child Rights Commissions at West Bengal, Kerala, and Karnataka. We have also been involved with the Juvenile Justice Act and have trained a lot of stakeholders in Juvenile Justice Act. And presently, I am based in Kalburgi, Karnataka, which is also known as Gulbarga. Kalburgi is also known as Gulbarga. And I'm in Karnataka, and I'm presently practicing as a High Court advocate, Karnataka High Court advocate, Kalburgi bench. And also I'm a member of the Juvenile Justice Board. Objective of joining this course was I had got a ample of time when the lockdown started. So I thought maybe I should invest my time in learning new skills, and the whole world is moving towards technology. So unless we gear up and make ourselves adapt to the new changing environment, I will become useless if I don't upgrade my skills. And I thought, and what attracted me to Law Eco course was it is a very short duration and flexible and completely based on our convenience. The course has been built, and I was very much inspired by the mails that Ramanuj has been writing for so many years, articles and mails that I had got. So I was really, I thought this is the best time to make use of this period that we have got as a free time to upgrade my skills. That's why I joined this course. The course is quite comprehensive and has been built with inputs from all angles. Each of the concept has been comprehensively been drafted and well explained by the experts, and even the feedback for the assignments that is given is very comprehensive. This feedback actually makes you really think about where you are going wrong and what would have been done better. So I feel this course is really a lot of efforts have been gone into making this course, and it's quite very I feel it's quite built up in a very simple language, even for a person like me who had no inkling to the technology, and I am able to understand the new concepts. The course has introduced me the world of technology to me. I am completely a lay person when it comes to technology, but I am learning things very easily because of the Law Eco course. And I think the experts those who are involved in giving the live sessions, Isha Shekhar, is really experienced and makes the concepts comprehensive, very complex concepts very simple and understandable. So I really felt this course is very good for people who want to upgrade their skills on this technology front. I feel this is a course that one needs to undergo. People who actually I have completed my 20 years of law, and age can never be a barrier for new learning, and I feel people should take up this course. And the other interesting point about this course is that they are not just, once you want to do a technological contract course, it doesn't mean that they teach only technological contracts, but I was very impressed by the fact that there were also inputs about how to improve your career and how to enhance and build up your image and build up that visibility that is not there. I was actually forced by all the mails that I have to create a LinkedIn profile. Unless we build our visibility in technological world, we will be lost somewhere. So I really felt it's very good point that LawSeco is introducing this and making everyone be visible in the internet world of this digital world, as well as also to write articles that really brings out our thinking caps, and it improves our writing skills. As lawyers, we never write and we only draft things which is required for the court, but even writing articles enhances your image and really builds up your personality. So I think this is very important that LawSeco course yeah, has added an additional inputs for this in the course. Actually, whenever I used to go to any website or download any app, without looking into the nitty gritties, I would just click on I agree icon and then download it, and not knowing even the consequences of what that I agree would mean. And this course has really taught me to look into the website and look into the cookie policies, the policies which privacy policy, as well as it has introduced me concepts which are such as SaaS agreements. So these are all quite very new for me, but now whenever I open any website or I download any application, I make sure I read these concepts, I read their policies and understand what these mean, and then only I click on the I agree icon. So it's very useful for me and is really helping me understand the technology. Experience has been very positive, and the subject is very interesting, and the experts involved in teaching the subject are very down to earth and use simple languages for people from non-technological background. Also, the course is quite simplified. So I would feel that this is a great course, and if people want to do something in their free time, this technological contract course, which is for 3 months, is absolutely a go for course, I feel.